Hey guys, VioTutorials on here, and today I'm going to show you how to update your Samsung Galaxy S3 GT-I9300 with the Android 4.2.2 Jelly Bean official leaked firmware. Yes, this is official firmware, but this is leaked, and believe me guys, everything is working fine. No bugs on the firmware. It just works for your daily drive. So let's start guys. So first you have to download this file from link in description below, and then you have to extract the file using WinRAR. So just right click on the file, select extract here. After extracting file, open the extracted folder, and inside the folder you will get one folder called ORM3 version 3.04 and a file called home.tar.md5 file. This is 1.40 GB. This is the main firmware package file, and this is ON software, so we can use ON to install this file on your mobile device. So just open the ON folder and open the ORM3 application for Windows, and then just click on PDA button right here. This is the .tar.md5 file from extracted folder. Here's the folder: Android 4.2.2 Jelly Bean, XXUFME3, Middle East, VioTutorials.com. And here's the file, home.tar.md5 file. Now just come to your device, and you have to turn your device off by pressing power key, power off, OK. Now hold the volume down key plus home key and turn your device on. Now you'll get this screen. It's saying a custom OS can cause critical problems in the phone and install application. If you want to download a custom OS, press the volume up key, otherwise press the volume down key to cancel. You have to hit the volume up key right here. And now you have to connect your device to PC using USB cable. And now come to PC. After connecting your device to the PC, you will get blue color with this IDCOM box. Now just hit the start button right here. Okay guys, so after getting past text over this IDCOM box, just remove your device from your PC. Just remove the cable, and now your device will be rebooted in this boot screen. And after rebooting your device, you have successfully updated your Samsung Galaxy S3 GT-I9300 with the Android 4.2.2 Jelly Bean. But in the case if you're coming from a custom firmware, or your device is not rebooting due to some kind of changes in your build, older build, so you have to follow the next step. This is resetting your phone. Just follow me. Turn your device off first. Power off. OK. And after turning your device off, just hold the volume up key plus home key and turn your device on. Okay guys, you have entered in recovery mode. Now if you want to scroll down up, use your volume rocker keys right here, and if you want to select any option from this menu, just press the power key right here. So first do a wipe data factory reset. Can you see that? Wipe data factory reset. Then select S, delete all this data. And now wipe cache partition. And now reboot system now. Okay guys, so again you have updated your Samsung Galaxy S3 GT-I9300 with Android 4.2.2 Jelly Bean. So guys, after rebooting your device, you'll get this screen. This is a language selection screen from Samsung Galaxy. You just select your language, then hit the next, skip. If you want to connect your Wi-Fi, you can connect on there. Next, enter your name here and hit the next, skip, finish. So guys, after rebooting your device, you have successfully updated your Samsung Galaxy S3 GT-I9300 with the Android 4.2.2 Jelly Bean update. And here's about phone, the Android 4.2.2 Jelly Bean. You can see that. And here's the model number, i9300, and Android version is 4.2.2. And here you can see the build number. This is the XXUFME3 version, so linked firmware. But believe me guys, everything is working fine, no bugs on the field. New status bar, some new toggles on there, new way of toggles from the clean Android 4.2 Jelly Bean, and new store of settings, and some new features from Samsung Galaxy S4. So guys, thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up button below, and if you want more videos like this, just subscribe to our channel, youtube.com/VioTutorials. So guys, thanks for watching.